Next, we're going to take a look at and a taste of a twist on an old favorite. Twisted Burger in Columbus and its owner show us how a hunch can pay off in an unusual and delicious way.
I get referred to as a chef a lot, and so I make the correction, to them, and I'm like, I'm not a chef, I'm a backyard griller. Before we started the restaurant, I was working in sales and estimating for a commercial roofing company. I'd been doing that for about 2 years, and then off a whim just decided to open up a restaurant and get out of the roofing business.
I didn't know why he wanted to open a burger place, but I was behind him from day one, and I've been with him ever since.
A lot of this has always came from me grilling in the backyard, having friends over, family functions, things of that nature. We would obviously just grill, and so we just kind of turned it in from, backyard grilling to restaurant grilling. The good thing about having a restaurant is you get to meet a lot of nice people, stories that you get to hear, people you get to meet. I couldn't trade that for anything.
As you see, we have 2 burgers, 2 fries, 2 cheeseburgers, Granny.
When I come in, we prep out everything that we need. Our meat's fresh every day. We don't start with frozen meat. You just turn the grill on and let it get hot, but you don't keep it real hot, because if you do, you'll burn your burgers up.
When we were starting the restaurant, one of the biggest things was how to come up with the name. And I was telling a friend of mine the type of burgers that we wanted to do, and he's like, man, that sounds sick and twisted. And it's just stuck. After we'd been open about a year, we came up with the red, white, and blue. It starts off with a base layer of blue cheese, our twisted patty with pepper jack cheese, and then our homemade buffalo sauce over the top of it. It's got just amazing flavor. It's hitting that palate in every way possible. It's just your taste buds are just making sirens go off. We have one that's called the Western. It's cheddar cheese, jalapenos, barbecue sauce, and bacon.
All the guys who lift weights and go to the gym, they like the Godzilla because they get a lot of protein out of it. And it has corned beef, roast beef, turkey, and ham. And then I put 2 pieces of Swiss cheese on top of it, and it melts, and then I put it on a patty with bacon and American cheese on it. So it's a really big burger, and it's nothing but meat.
I've tasted every burger that we have on our menu. We come up with specials all the time, and every time we come up with a special, I'll eat it just to make sure that the taste is there and that the combinations of everything are where they need to be. Mom and pop style restaurants, local restaurants, you don't have the name recognition that a lot of the franchise restaurants have, so you depend upon, the local clientele to support you, and word of mouth and things like that. So you really got to have a great staff, for the repeat customers to come back all the time.
3 more fries, 4 burgers.
When we have a whole list of tickets hanging up in front of us, it gets intense, but we get it out.
I mean, man, it's a great place, man. Actually, real burgers is nice. Had them out every morning, great season, everything. Good burger, man. Come try it.
Even though I own the place, I never consider myself the owner. I don't consider myself a boss. I'm the guy that's gonna work just as hard as the guy next to me, and I'll work 7 days a week. The biggest thing owning a local restaurant is you couldn't do it without the support of the local clientele, the citizens of Columbus, West Point, and the surrounding areas. They support us really well. We have a lot of repeat customers that visit us sometimes more than twice a week. They get to know our waitresses get to know them. They know them by name. They can come in and the waitress already knows what they want to drink and probably what they want to order, but they still give them the courtesy of ordering, but they probably already have it in their head what it is they're gonna get, how they're gonna get it, and what they want for their sides. When we started this, the set goal was to have 1 restaurant. I really don't know where it's going to go from here. I just know that personally 3 is about all that I would like to try to handle, but if we get things going right, you know, franchising may be something we look forward to doing in the future.
Yeah, they like our burgers because they are fresh, and we do give them a different taste than just plain hamburger meat.
Order up!
Thanks for joining us. If you like what you see, subscribe to Mississippi Public Broadcasting. Till next time, I'll be seeing you on Mississippi Roads.